My topic is buffers and also Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Buffers can be defined as the mixture of weak acids and their conjugate bases. Here, acetic acid is the weak acid and sodium acetate as the conjugate base. And we can also define buffers as the mixture of weak bases and their conjugate acids. In this, ammonia is the weak base and ammonium chloride is the conjugate acid. Next, the effective range of buffer is pKa plus or minus 1 pH unit. Function of buffers is the solution which resists change in pH when acid or alkali is added. Buffer's action depends mainly on the fact that is, weak acids or bases dissociate very weakly while their conjugate bases or acids totally dissociate to their components. That means there will be high concentration of the conjugate bases or acids compared to the protons or the hydroxyl groups. Next, these added protons or the hydroxyl groups react with the conjugate bases or acids to form back the weak base or acids. And the reformed weak bases or acids dissociate partially. It means that the amount of protons or hydroxyl groups produced will be far less than the added amounts. For this reason, buffers resist change in pH following the addition of strong bases or acids. Buffers of human bodies. All living organisms regulate the pH of their fluids by buffers. The major human buffers include proteins, hemoglobin, carbonate, and phosphate buffers. The most important buffer of the blood is the carbonic acid bicarbonate systems. Carbonic acid, it is a weak acid that dissociates into a proton and the bicarbonate anion. And this carbonic acid bicarbonate buffer system has a pKa of 6.1. Yet it is capable of buffering the blood or peripheral tissues. The blood pH is 7.4. Next, H2CO3 is formed from CO and H2O. Exhalation of carbon dioxide affects the carbonic acid bicarbonate buffering system. That is, the lung plays some role in controlling the pH of the blood and the peripheral tissues through controlling the concentration of the carbon dioxide. Next, we can say about the buffer capacity. It is the capacity of the buffer in maintaining a constant pH on addition of an acid or a base. It depends on factors, and the factors is pKa and ratio of acid is to salt. Maximum buffering capacity occurs if concentration of acid and salt is same, that is 1:1 ratio. Next, Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. It describes about the behavior of buffers. It is also used to determine the pH value if given the ionization constant of the weak acid or base or acid and the concentration of the weak base or acid. Now we can consider acetic acid as the weak acid and sodium acetate as the conjugate base as an example. This is a derivation of Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. HA dissociates to H plus and A minus, and the HA is the acid, H plus is conjugate acid, A minus is conjugate base. And the dissociation constant Ka, which is equal to concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. And here the product is concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of reactant, that is concentration of HA. Now multiply the ends of the equation 1 by concentration of HA divided by concentration of A minus. Then we can give concentration of HA by concentration of H minus to both sides. Then the equation becomes Ka into concentration of Ha divided by concentration of A minus equal to concentration of H plus. We can take this equation as equation 2. Take minus log for the two ends of equation 2. Then the equation changes to minus log K into concentration of Ha divided by concentration of A minus equal to minus log concentration of H plus. Now we all know minus log concentration of H plus is equal to pH. Then we can give that pH value. Then the equation becomes minus log K into concentration of Ha divided by concentration of A minus equal to pH. And minus log Ka minus log concentration of Ha by concentration of A minus equal to pH. Here minus and minus will become positive and concentration of A minus goes upwards and concentration of Ha goes downwards. Then and the minus log K equal to pK. Then we can give pKa plus log concentration of A minus divided by concentration of Ha equal to pH. This we can take equation number 3. And this equation 3 is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. It explains the relationship between pH, pK, concentration of acid and its conjugate base. Then we can summarize this equation as pH of buffer solution equal to pKa of weak acid or base plus log concentration of A minus into concentration of conjugate base or acid divided by concentration of Ha into concentration of weak acid or base. Okay, thank you. Topic is over.